Odyssey, the world's tallest suspended looping coaster by Vekoma. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and today we're here at Fantasy Island for our first ever visit. You excited, Jacob?
Okay, yeah.
So, all I knew about the theme park is that they've got the world's tallest SLC, which is right behind me. I didn't know how cool it looks though. I haven't seen much on it. Let's go and see what the park has to offer. First ever time at Fantasy Island, let's go. So first impressions, guys, the park looks a bit run down. And then they've just got this massive coaster here, which is brilliant. So it's free to enter. Wristband was £29.50. So if you don't get a wristband, guys, it's not tokens, it's a little card which you top up as you go. Oh, school trip season. How's Fantasy Island going to deal with busy operations? Odyssey's getting a queue already. So we're struggling to find where we get our wristbands at the moment. They've pointed us up the front, so the car park's at the back by the looks of it.
Here's one. Yeah, I forgot they have one.
Okay, let's start that again. We've found the entrance to the theme park now, so the car park's around the back for some reason. Hey. Let's go get our wristbands. Little indoor bit's great, guys. It's really well themed. It's really cool. Oh, look at that. They got like a little Go Ape type thing. So unfortunately, guys, I can't get any POVs for you because Fantasy Island have a rule. You have to email first, get email confirmation, and then they can check over your GoPro. So if you want to record on the rides, guys, bear that in mind. You've got to email them first. But you probably need about 1,000 subs, and we're not quite there yet. Anyway, let's start our day with a go on the world's tallest SLC, Odyssey. Ooh. Sorry, we just found this. Thought we'd have a look. I have no idea.
What's this?
We're not supposed to be in here?
No.
No, sorry guys.
What's that?
I don't know, maybe it's a scare maze. That was funny though. Okay guys, so don't go in there. I thought it would be like a little walkthrough or something.
But this, yeah, mate.
Yeah, you're not allowed to. Yeah, you're not allowed to go in there. They looked very confused at us walking in there. Millennium there. Oh, this looks like a beast. Here we go. Run! It's not like there's a queue. Wow! What do you think of Odyssey, Jacob?
That's a rough one.
Jacob doesn't like SLC, so of course he's going to say that. It is a bit rough halfway through.
I wish I had best restraints like mine, they're better.
It's got a lot more padding on the headrest, and
yeah.
it is quite rough, I'm not going to lie, but wow, that is my new favourite SLC. What do you think?
I like it more than Infusion.
I like it more than mine. The drop is brilliant. Just the amount of G's, that is really fun, that ride, guys. I've got to go on it again, but yes, it is an SLC, so of course it is very painful. No, that is definitely my new favourite SLC. That was brilliant. It's brilliant.
There's a good drop on it, it's intense, but that's about it.
Jacob doesn't like SLCs.
I like mine and Marley.
Should we go try Millennium?
Yeah.
See if it's smoother than Python at Efteling. So I actually forgot to mention, guys, Odyssey is the UK's third tallest coaster until Project Exodus opens at a whopping 167 feet. The first half is awesome and the second half is painful.
I didn't like it that much.
Ah, how could you not like it? It was great. Time for Millennium. Oh wow. Wow, the indoor area is amazing, guys. So, Millennium, what do you think of Millennium, Jacob?
It's alright.
It's alright.
Very smooth.
Very smooth. Yeah, I was just saying, other than Fly at Phantasialand, it's probably the smoothest old model Vekoma that we've actually been on. But it is a bit boring, do you not think?
Yeah, it's quite tame in places. Yeah,
It's more like a speedy monorail. It's not great.
The big one's a speedy monorail.
So you got an indoor crazy golf over here, guys. That looks quite fun. Oh, it's included with the wristband, is it? Oh, that's cool. So there's a big slide here. Mystical Dragon Mountain. Okay, so that was actually quite fun. It was a big, really well themed water slide. What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright.
Jacob hates water slides, but we got him on it.
I don't mind that one.
So then we've got, what's this here? Toucan Tours. Let's have a look. I've no idea. So that was like a dark ride monorail. It was quite good actually, wasn't it, Jacob?
Thank you.
So Fantasy Island has England's largest 7-day market. So if you don't like the coasters, there's a lot of shopping to do. Are you ready to ride the tallest suspending looping coaster in the world?
Maybe not.
So there's a back row go on Odyssey. What do you think, Jacob?
A lot of headbanging. Very good drop.
Very good drop. Jacob was saying that he prefers the back to the front. He said the back's smoother. I don't agree, so opposites there. The front's definitely smoother. Oh, now we got some iced coffees to try. What's Jacob got?
A strawberry milkshake with cream.
Is this the creme brulee one?
Yeah.
A creme brulee iced coffee. My nemesis. We're not going on the sky swing.
Yeah?
You can go on it, I'm not.
Oh. Why can't you?
There's no POVs anyway, so you can't hear me getting tortured.
Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah. No.
He said he will never go on one of these again. Here he goes. Even taller than Flamingo Land. Oh God. Good luck. How was that?
That was good. That was good.
No. So apparently that was 229 feet, 70 meters. So slightly taller than the one at Plopsaland, so it's the tallest one I've been on. Luckily it was over quickly. I still think Pterodactyl at Flamingo Land's worse, even though it's smaller. It's just dodgy, that one, isn't it?
That one too.
Yeah. I think we're going to explore the inside bit a bit more. There's a lot more in there. It's quite cool. Lots to explore. You're going to go on the hot air balloons. Sky and Jacob there in the little air balloon. How are the hot air balloons?
It's the best ride ever.
Oh wow.
Let's see what else we can find. I want to go up there to that little castle. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks cool. Jelkins. Let's go see what it is. What, weren't you allowed on it?
Too big.
Too big, not quite the kiddie.
Oh no, a kiddie ride you can't go on. Oh no.
Oh well.
Oh look, they got the hooker duck. Not as good as Adventure Island's one. Oh, okay, we found the entrance. Wonder what it is. Getting some Toverland vibes, aren't you?
Yeah, the indoor area.
Okay, so someone in the queue line said it's a simulator. Wow, so cool. Okay, so Guardian's like a flying theatre. What do you reckon?
It was quite cool actually.
What do you think,
I
Jacob?
enjoyed it.
It was okay. It doesn't compare to the Voletarium at Europa Park. I think, to be honest, for me, the graphics were a bit bad. The best part of it was actually getting lifted up and positioned into the screen. That was the best part.
I was going to go upside down then.
Yeah, I know. I got really excited, but let's see what else we can find. Magical seaquarium. What is it?
Little dark rides.
Little dark ride, yeah, with fishies, you say. Little tops. One of the UK's best dark rides.
Yeah.
So there's another little section we haven't done yet with a reverse drop tower, so we're going to see what that's like. It's never going to leave my brain.
Like Carnival Festival all over again.
Yeah, someone, if you're good with music, do a mashup to Carnival Festival versus that one. I'd love to hear it.
Oh,
Oh, she's gonna read your fortune. Ooh. Okay, so the palm is £20, not worth it. I can read your palm. I'll read your palm, Jacob.
What?
Oh, it says you smell.
Thanks a lot.
Log flume there, a twister, they got a ride here. There's loads out here, guys. But of course, we've got to try the reverse drop tower. How does it compare to Cliffhanger at Flamingo Land? Let's go find out. Cool. Oh god.
I thought I was going to get on
Drop
there.
tower's pretty good, what do you think?
Not Cliffhanger, though.
No, it doesn't beat Cliffhanger at Flamingo Land, but it's still a very good one. I want to go on this, it looks fun.
I want to go on that.
What, the coaster?
Better than
Oh,
Ice
Sky and Jacob's kiddie coaster segment.
Yeah.
I've not seen one like that before, have you?
No.
Might have to go on it. Oh gosh, screechy, screechy. Choo choo. Any good?
Nippy little ride.
Yeah? Say the pyramid looks so small from outside, but it's massive in there. Oh no, they broke it. There they go. It's working now. Should we do it again? No? Yeah. It's got to be done. It's got to be done. Now there's a lot of places to eat here at Fantasy Island, guys, but I saw this one earlier. It's called Jamaican Chicken. It's got a picture of a chicken, so we're going to give it a go. £21, 2 drinks, a wrap, some chicken strips and some chips. Don't eat at the Jamaican place. Ugh. Expensive and not great. Time for another ride on Odyssey. So unfortunately Odyssey's broken down. There was a big clunk. They got everybody off the ride and it doesn't seem to be working. So that brings our vlog to a close, guys. Jacob, what do you think of Fantasy Island?
Pretty good actually.
We were at Adventure Island a couple of weeks ago. Better?
I don't know, probably.
I'm going to say Fantasy Island's a lot better than Adventure Island. The staff are more friendly at Adventure Island, but yeah. Fantasy Island's great. There's a lot to do here, guys. We haven't got around it all. They've also got a firework display every Wednesday and Saturday, which does look very good, but that's about 5 hours away, so we're not going to stay for that. But before we go, guys, we've got a very special goodbye, so hang on. If you did enjoy today's vlog, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.